Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we're at our Instagram autoresponder tool and we're going to be looking at how to set up your comments autoresponder. So first, once you click on the tool, it is going to take you to this page over here and you're going to be asked to log in with your Facebook. So once you connect your Facebook with the tool, you can come down over here and add an Instagram account. Just keep in mind that if you're going to add your Instagram account, it needs to be a business account. If it is not a business account, it will not work. I already tested it switching back to a non-business account. My account did not show up over here on the tool. But once your business account is set up, you can go over here and click on add. Your account will be added to the autoresponder and you can start setting up your messages. So just go over here to comments. And this is if you're replying to a comment. You can also do replying to a mention. Over here, it's basically the same thing. I'll just show up in the comments first. Over here, it would write a phrase for you to reply to. So, for example, reply if the comment contains test. It would reply to the person that commented something that had test on it. You can also select contains, not contain, or identical. So if you want a phrase, for example, if you're giving up something for free and want people to comment, I want this, you can do I want this, and you can select identical. So if anyone comments this, you will reply to them. You can also select to be case sensitive, so they have to do exactly what you put in. Once you do that, you can start setting up your reply text just like this one. So to start off, you can use this as an example, and over here too, if you have multiple phrases that you would want to reply your text to, just because Instagram could see you as a bot and most likely block your account or do something like it, you would just need to set up a couple of phrases. For example, hi, and separate it like this. Hey, set it up like that again. Hello, then close it. You can put a comma. Here you go. So it would reply with one of these three over here and the message here you go. Once you set up your text and the reply if the comment, you can click over here and save your data. Once your data is saved, you're good to go. You can also add a condition over here if you would like, or you can also delete it. Once you set this up, you're basically set up. You can also go to your mentions and set up if you want to reply once you're mentioned on a comment. You can do so over here. But this is how you guys set up your comments and mentions on the Instagram autoresponder. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.